As marketers, we're constantly, I think, promoting opportunities for our customers to get together in peer-to-peer exchange. Ignite Conference allows us as marketers to do the same.
It was great for us last year, lots of great prospects here, great organization, big crowd. So it seems like a pretty important event to be at.
It's a great place for us to show our expertise and also listen to other experts in the industry, basically.
Actually just coming together and hearing what clients need, it's like what their issues are or their struggles, can sort of help you determine what you need to do for the future as a business. We're speaking to decision makers all day.
It's just interesting to hear about everyone putting their customer first and making sure they're creating the experiences that really matter to their buyers.
Ignite stands out from other events because there's such a variety of content here. You can network with other professionals. It's been really a great couple of days.
In our session, it was great to have that opportunity to talk about, don't necessarily use AI to make more stuff, use it to get more out of the stuff that you already have.
My highlights, so I actually went to go watch the David Maguire session on ChatGPT, which lots of people are talking about at the moment.
I really enjoyed the session with Hut3, so that was kind of deep diving into some of their ABM campaigns with Atos, and I had a great session on branding with B2B Marketing, so I really enjoyed that.
I don't feel like we're as data-driven as we would like to be, and being here has kind of shown me that we really should be.
I was really looking for an event with a training element. So rather than attending a conference with only keynotes and speeches, I was looking for something hands-on.
Honestly, the thing that makes Ignite different is that everybody is here. Everybody's facing the same things, the same challenges. So it's big enough and it's focused enough. It's just the perfect event for B2B.
I'll definitely be back.